The Shanghai Cooperation Organization Summit in Tianjin is turning out to be more than just another multilateral gathering. For India, PM Modi's visit to China after a gap of 7 years could mark a significant reset in bilateral ties and open up a series of new opportunities. So, what all can we expect from PM Modi and Xi's meeting this time? Well, one of the key expectations is progress on border management. While India and China have started showing cooperation recently, including new confidence-building measures along the line of actual control, the SCO summit is expected to push the dialogue further. This will be crucial as after years of tension since Galwan, even incremental steps toward de-escalation will be closely watched. Another important aspect is the revival of people-to-people ties. The Kailash Mansarovar Yatra, which resumed this year after a 5-year pause, is also expected to feature in India-China sideline talks at the SCO summit. While not on the formal agenda, its revival will likely be highlighted as a key confidence-building measure and a sign of thaw in bilateral ties. On the economic front, the spotlight is on rare earths. China has signaled its willingness to ease supply restrictions on critical materials like rare earth magnets, which are vital for India's electric vehicle, electronics and defense industries. Reports suggest a potential trade package that may also include fertilizers and pharmaceuticals. For Indian companies, this could provide immediate relief, but experts warn the long-term challenge of reducing dependence on China still remains. On the other hand, diplomatically, the summit is also about optics and messaging. PM Modi's presence alongside Xi Jinping and Vladimir Putin sends a strong signal of India's willingness to engage in Eurasian multilateralism while still safeguarding its strategic autonomy. Further, the summit could raise concerns in Washington. The coming together of India, China and Russia under the SCO umbrella may be viewed as a challenge to US influence, especially if cooperation extends to rare earths and regional security. So, from the possibility of restarting the Mansarovar Yatra to rare earth deals that could reshape supply chains, the Tianjin SCO summit could become a turning point in how India manages its complex relationship with China while also cementing its role as a balancing power in the region.